of the top 10 gospel tunes. In our segment today, we are featuring Chifuniro Eliezer Banda, otherwise known as Chifuniro in his music. He have had a passion for music ever since, but he started his professional music journey in May 2020 when he released 2 single tracks, Ndabondamala and Sagona, which were recorded at OBK Records. He actually finished recording the album in February this year, and he is expected to release it possibly in June or July 2021. Chifuniro is a proud member of Fountain of Victory International Church, founded by Apostle Joseph Ziwa, where he has been a member since 2012, the year it started. Chifuniro is a human resource management generalist. That means he does everything that concerns HR. So from Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m., he is in office at Sidco Malawi Limited. During the evening, he's busy strategizing on his music and writing careers, writing music video concerts, and so on. On Saturday, he is either practicing on his guitar or keyboard or doing interviews on radio or television stations.
Let's get to know you more. Who is Chifuniro?
Alright, Chifuniro Banda, 33 years old. I come from Salima, but currently I'm staying in Zomba.
Having spent all his professional life, he is now used to like everything to do with HR, especially during the recruitment process. It's the time he feels he helps his employer to get the best human capital, which in turn translates into organizational success. That's outside his music life. His strongest memory of childhood is...
Well, I remember there was a time when I had listened to Arake's music, Gotham City. Seed of justice, seed of love, seed of peace for everyone. So I wrote my own lyrics to that song, and then I took 2 cassette recorders, playing the other one, and the other one I was recording my voice. So listening to myself singing along that instrumental was one of the most memorable moments of my childhood. I felt so good to listen to myself.
Whilst his scariest experience is the time he spent 2 days at police station for questioning on the theft that had taken place at his workplace. He feared he would be jailed for a crime he had not committed. The real-life situation that had inspired Chifuniro was one of the areas that he was asked during interviews for his first job.
So they were asking me, can you display to us your managerial skills? So I used the skills that I was having. So when I used those skills, I told them those skills. The panel was so impressed. I think if he can be able to manage a press team, then I think I got so inspired.
Whilst looking for a job, Chifuniro had no access to internet, to the point that when he was shortlisted for interviews elsewhere, he missed the given date and only came to know about it through his brother, whom he had shared a password with. He rushed to the interview office whilst in inappropriate interview clothes, the one he was putting on that day when going to town to do unrelated business. The other interviewees he found mostly were the people he had graduated together with, laughed at him for not being prepared. He describes that as his most embarrassing moment. Other than being an artist, the job he had done so far is being an HR practitioner, the large part of his career life. But before that, he had a stint at one of the mobile network providers as a call center agent. The food he likes more is yogurt, especially banana-flavored one. But what he dislikes about the art world is the high investment he must make for the good or quality art only not to be appreciated. Being looked down on is what makes him angry. If he would have superpowers, then it would be the power to easily influence people, because it would enable him to deliver his message to as many people as possible. His dream project musically is to be a voice that speaks to the hopeless about the love of God. He also dreams of nurturing dreams in young people, support them until they become what they dream of. His favorite and most inspirational place in Malawi is Liwonde National Park. The best piece of advice he has been given is that life does not end before it begins, and he wouldn't do without music itself. In our segment of the Chronicles today, inside the Gospel Top 10 Tunes, we are featuring Chifunilo, whose real name is Chifunilo Eliezer Banda. We continue to dig more of his musical career.
Usotinala kwanji, tigwile ntengo wanji, tasiyana bwanji, zolengedwa zonse. Amene mulili ubwela, omwe wonse anjenjemela, ndikusowa chiyembekezo, iwe wekai. Kukuza izi oti umamugonda Yesu akukonda amakuteteza paiwe anaikapo exemption.
As we continue to find out about Chifunilo's music, let's get to know what first got him into music. Well, for him, it was after writing manuscript for his yet-to-be-published book titled Strength for Wealth, he discovered that passion can be turned into something which does not only benefit him as in finding pleasure in a hobby, but also benefit others if he invests in it. So in 2020, he decided to turn into music, which was a hobby, into second career he's doing. Same with his other hobbies, writing and public speaking. Talking about inspiration, for him, it has been an inner inspiration. Music comes natural to him. Nonetheless, he has enjoyed listening to CC Winers.
Such an easy thing for you to do. Your hand is moving right now.
He does gospel because he feels he doesn't have an option.
Choosing gospel, no, I don't have an option. I received Jesus Christ as my Lord and Savior when I was young. I was raised by a pastor. I spend most of my time preaching on so everything around me it revolves around gospel. Zone and the range or angle ya gospel. So no option. No option in.
The music that Chifunilo creates would typically be described as simplified music which must appeal to common man, both in terms of lyrics and chord work while maintaining maturity. It is such a music which well-advanced listeners, both theological and musical, can easily read between lines of what he is communicating without leaving a basic listener outside. And his creative process mostly, but not always, it starts with a mediation on a topic. After summarizing it in two phrases, he creates a tune. He then goes on his guitar or keyboard and starts refining the tune. Then he reworks the lyrics, most of the time some days or weeks later. At times he creates music by experimenting. When he sits and plays on his keyboard, he would experiment a combination of some chords and rhythms. When it sounds nice, he starts to develop something out of that, then start writing memorable lines to go along with. As for Chifunilo, not much has been achieved so far as compared to what is coming ahead. But still, his music plays on Trace Gospel and on most of the radio and television music charts here in Malawi. He has ever won an award for his Ndapondamala song and also another award as an artist. What differentiates Chifunilo's music with others is that blending of local beats or rhythms with urban vocals. This gives him an edge.
One thing I know the way na yodeka umakonda Yesu nditu umaoneka plus you're beautiful Jesus is your makeup mulo wabo jango ugaemba sokuluka I understand amuna alelo salongo soka obela kuzachula ndi madolo upenga ofuna kukuyi
Ntambi and Gwamba are the artists Chifunilo would like to collaborate with.
I mentioned those two because they do a type of music which I don't do. They do hip hop, is it rap music? I cannot rap, I cannot do that. So a collaboration would really be ideal.
When it comes to comparison, he would compare himself to CC Winers in terms of voice fluidity, Francis Piri, also known as Lawi, in terms of lyrical content, and Faith Musa in terms of how he handles music as a career. If he could go open a show for an artist in Malawi, it could be Faith Musa's. The most useless talent he has is making jokes. If it wasn't for his music career, he would be working in his other professional HR administration. With COVID restrictions, Chifunilo has only been performing in churches, with the Zomba Fountain of Victory Church being his favorite.
Dance for the Lord.
He has planned 2 album listening shows in 2021, one in Blantyre and another one in Lilongwe. He will also hold another one visually on one television station as well as on a radio station where he will interact with his fans. Talking of how he feels the internet has impacted his music, well, on the positive side of it, it has made music distribution to be so simple, eliminating the so many agents along the way. Artists are now able to easily interact with fans. But on the downside of it is the issue of high data cost, which makes it hard for people to buy and download music. Instead, they just share on WhatsApp. His favorite song to perform is Sagona. It speaks to him more than it does to the listeners.
Sagona kapena kuodzela entawi zonse amapangaza yene kori winanduti angane kondi diri kori winanduti angane kondi diri wakala ukulila kwantawi ya Itali wamukulupilila komanyengo sizi kusenta chiyembekezo mwaye chikuchepa koma osata ya ntima mulungu wakwa samala odziwa mawalako akupanga za iwe oti Sagona kapena kuodzela.
The famous musicians he admires, Jonathan McReynolds, Detley Caron, CC Winers, and Faith Musa. Professionally, his goal is to work on talent search and talent promotion. He would have loved for whoever matters in this industry to be on the ground to search and promote real and quality talent. The next project for Chifunilo is taking his music to as many people as possible through diverse platforms.
So keep on listening to me, get the updates when am I releasing the next song. Yeah, that's my message to you.
You like his music because there was a day you bumped into it, either when it was playing on the radio or when someone told you about it.
So I would urge you to introduce me and my music to your friends, as many as they can. Then let's see what success holds for us.
That's a message from Chifunilo. Otherwise, all his songs are on his YouTube channel. You can watch, subscribe, and like the channel. and he also has a Facebook page where he puts all the updates for his music journey. You can also interact with him there. Lastly, as we're about to wind up our segment, let's get to know the quick facts about Chifunilo. It's a yes or no question. You always want to sing like someone else.
No.
You have ever dated more than 2 women.
No.
You are not married.
No.
You work with secular artists.
Yes.
You listen to secular music.
Yes.
You don't have a manager.
Yes.
Can you baptize someone over the phone?
Yes.
You are a short-tempered person.
No.
You have ever been arrested.
Yes.
You have been involved in a fight before.
Yes.
You have ever done a song addressed to your girlfriend.
Yes.
You like beefing with your fellow artists.
No.
You eat a lot.
No.
Well, on that note, we conclude our segment of the Chronicles inside the Top 10 Gospel Tunes today. And in our segment today, we featured one Chifunilo Eliezer Banda, otherwise just known as Chifunilo in his music. Until next time when we come again with another artist, as I keep on watching the Top 10 Gospel Tunes here on Times TV.
Now we give you the top 3 in